What is up, guys, and welcome back to Keep It Up with Crypto with your boy Xander. Guess what? Just got a clean cut. You like it? I know you like it. Got it from this high-end place you might have heard of. It's called Sports Clips. Yeah, it's pretty nice. Anyways, guys, let's get right into the video. Check it out. I was talking to this guy called Gold Fever. There's a shout out for you, bud. He was commenting on my video about investing into altcoins within the 400s. And he was talking to me about his positions and wanted a recommendation for what he should invest into next that would be high risk, high reward in that region and area. So my best choice right now would be Embers. Embers is actually not even in the 400s. It's at 508, sitting at just over a $10 million market cap. Embers is a really cool project based around art, and I really do like art. I'm an artistic kind of guy. I love to draw and paint and stuff like that. But it also is at a huge dip right now, which is, as you guys know, is the best buying opportunity. So, you see that? Look at that. It was at about 41 cents, and that was right when the market was getting high, the market cap, everything was getting high. And then the dip, guys, this recession we've been in kind of lately has definitely taken a toll on this coin. But that's really good if you have some loose Bitcoin sitting around or something that you can invest into this. And sitting at a $10 million market cap, I believe that this could be a really big coin. But even if it just got to a $100 million market cap within the next month, that would make it already 10 times your money. And that's what we're looking for in kinds of growth. Let's check out their website real quick. I actually kind of like their website. It looks pretty cool. They have a really, of course, their art. So create commemorates. I can never say commemorates. Anyway, Carry the Fire. Tony Fadell, legendary product designer and thought leader, often speaks of manifesto, a clear signal of intent not only to those outside of the company, but also to lay a solid foundation, corporate culture to be nurtured by those within. It is a spirit we offer. So, like, I love that, like, that right there. That looks really nice. Find the art in everything. Take pride in doing. Basically, it's like an art coin. Let's see the elements of Embermine. Presence. I don't even know what that word is, to be honest. Pseudonymous. Okay, that makes sense. Pseudonymous. Social and economic avatar is able to operate without sacrificing accountability or privacy. Connection, the means to utilize one's social graph to invite collaborators into a network and seek within them. Guys, this is going to be a lot of making art with other people and connecting with them through the art world. And I think that's something that we haven't seen. Now, I don't believe that this coin is ever going to be in the top 10. Probably not. There's a good chance it never will. It may not even break the top 50. But I do believe that this thing has plenty of potential to break out of the top 500, getting into the 400s, 300s, maybe even the 200s. And by then, you're already looking at 10 to 20 to 30 times gains on that. And that's what we want. You don't have to ride something all the way to the top, guys. You just need to get something that's going to get you major gains. And to me, 10 times your money is major gains. Maybe y'all have a different belief. If you do, let me know down below. But I just wanted to make this video real quick. I really enjoyed this conversation with Gold Fever. If you guys have any more thoughts, yeah, just hit me up in the comments. I always try to get back to you guys and like your stuff. As usual, guys, like, comment, subscribe. But other than that, I'll see y'all later.